Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to withdraw money from Freecash. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and click on the balance on the top right side. Then here you should go to this menu. And now here you have all the most popular withdrawal methods. Here you have PayPal, Stake, Google Play, Amazon, Apple, Visa Prepaid, and bank transfer. Now we can simply click on PayPal. Then you want to choose the gift card or the PayPal card that you want to withdraw. And the least amount that you can actually withdraw is $5 as you can see. Then scroll down a little bit, type here your PayPal account, and make sure to read this message. Your reward will be sent to this address. Make sure this email is linked to your PayPal account. After that, you'll have to check these two boxes. Then scroll down and click on withdraw. And you should know that there are fees. So there are withdrawal fees and PayPal consumer fees. So keep that in mind. And here you have also Apple gift card, Google Play gift card, Amazon gift card, Visa prepaid gift card, and finally bank transfer. And please note that bank transfer withdrawals have a flat fee of 5%. So when you scroll down a little bit here, you can see the account holder name, the account number, the routing number, postal code, and the amount and the flat withdrawal fee. So when you scroll down more, you can check this box, then click on withdraw, and you're all done. And this is how you can actually withdraw your money from Freecash. I hope this video is useful to you all, guys. Thank you for watching, and if this video was helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and goodbye.